Hey guys, stick around today while I take these $3 Dollar Tree decorative mirrors and make them into a country chic look for your home. Hi guys, Sarah here. Today I'm going to take 3 of these Dollar Tree mirrors that they have, and I picked these up. I hauled them last month, and as you can see, they're really a pretty flimsy. They're a thinner plastic, but that's okay because that makes them lightweight, and I'm going to go ahead and paint them. And to paint them, I am going to use the Waverly chalk paint that you can pick up at Walmart, and I have ballet slipper, celery, and agave I'll be using, and then to give these their base coat. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started with painting them. Alright, now that the mirrors have had a chance to dry, I am going to go ahead and use some white wax to antique them a little bit, so they're knock them back a little bit, just so they're not quite so bright. Because we are going for the, kind of country look, just adding a little bit of color to them. Alright, what I'm doing is I'm taking a short bristled stiff brush and I'm just dipping into the wax and trying to work it into all the grooves in the mirror. Okay, and once we get this all worked in, we're going to wipe it off while it's still wet. Okay, I'm going to take a rag that is pretty much lint-free, and then I'm going to go ahead and just start wiping off with the rag. Okay, and as you can see, it's giving it a beautiful antique look. So I'm going to go ahead and work around the mirrors using this white wax. Alright, so here are the finished mirrors. I think they came out just great. And as you can see, you move up, they have some great detailing to them. I absolutely think that that wax pulled off a beautiful look on top of the chalk paint. And I ended up using 3 coats each of the Waverly chalk paint on each of the mirrors, and then it was 1 coat of wax other than the green mirror, which I did go in and do a 2nd coat of the wax just around the center of the mirror to give it a little more definition, because it looked kind of washed out to me the first time. So here's the mirror project. I think that turned out just great for some paint and supplies I already had on hand and $3 in mirrors.
If you liked this video, please be sure to hit that like button as well as share it with friends who may also enjoy it. If you like my channel, hit that subscribe button, and when the notification bell pops up, be sure you hit that as well so you never miss a video. And, as always, have a great day and stay crafty.